Think you've seen the best hand tools? These 25 new tools are taking over workshops across America, and the #1 pick will surprise you. Stay until the end to discover the must-have tool every DIYer and contractor is talking about in 2026. Cobra XS. Don't let its compact size fool you. The KNIPEX Cobra XS delivers an incredibly strong grip for plumbing, automotive, and everyday repair jobs. Its one-handed adjustment and premium German engineering make it a favorite among U.S. professionals who need maximum performance in tight spaces. Tool check. Small enough to fit in your pocket, yet packed with professional-grade performance. The Wera tool check combines premium bits, sockets, and a precision ratchet into one compact kit. It's a favorite among U.S. technicians, mechanics, and DIYers who want maximum versatility without extra bulk. Construction. Jack. Heavy lifting doesn't have to be a two-person job. The IRWIN Quick Lift Construction Jack helps lift, level, and position doors, cabinets, and building materials with impressive control. It's a game-changing tool that's earning a spot in the toolkits of contractors and serious DIYers across the U.S. Kraftform Compact 20RA-R. The Kraftform Compact 20RA-R packs a smooth ratcheting screwdriver, precision bits, and ergonomic comfort into one compact tool. Designed for fast, efficient work in tight spaces, it's a favorite among U.S. technicians, electricians, and DIYers who want professional performance without carrying a bulky toolkit. Digital tape. Measure, forget guesswork. The T1 Tomahawk. Digital tape measure delivers fast, accurate digital measurements with impressive precision. Whether you're tackling home renovations, woodworking, or professional construction projects, this smart measuring tool helps U.S. DIYers and contractors save time while improving accuracy on every job. Magnetic torpedo level. Accuracy matters, and the STANLEY magnetic torpedo level delivers reliable leveling in tight spaces. Its powerful magnets, durable frame, and easy-to-read vials make it perfect for plumbing, electrical work, and construction, earning the trust of U.S. contractors and DIYers alike. Six-in-one pry bar. Small enough for your pocket but ready for everyday challenges, the titanium EDC 6-in-1. Multi-Tool Pry Bar combines multiple functions into one rugged design. Its lightweight titanium construction and practical features make it a favorite among US EDC enthusiasts, DIYers, and outdoor adventurers. Ratcheting screwdrivers. If you're tired of switching between multiple screwdrivers, Milwaukee has the perfect solution. Its smooth ratcheting action, built-in bit storage, and comfortable grip make every job faster and easier. It's no surprise this is becoming a must-have tool for DIYers and professional contractors across the U.S. Impact Socket Set. Why carry extra sockets when one tool can do more? The Klein 2-in-1 Impact Socket Set combines multiple sizes into a compact design, making it perfect for electricians, contractors, and DIYers. It's built for impact drivers and helps you work faster with fewer tool changes. Adjustable wrench. Makita brings a smarter twist to a classic hand tool with this locking adjustable wrench. Its secure locking mechanism delivers a strong grip, reduces slipping, and improves control on stubborn fasteners. It's quickly becoming a go-to choice for U.S. mechanics, contractors, and serious DIYers. Ratchet Screwdriver Set. From smartphones and laptops to gaming consoles and household repairs, this 74-in-1 screwdriver set is ready for almost any job. With dozens of precision bits in one compact case, it's a must-have for USDIers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who loves fixing things the smart way. Locking pliers. Every toolbox needs a reliable pair of locking pliers, and IRWIN continues to set the standard. With a powerful locking grip, quick release mechanism, and rugged construction, these pliers handle tough jobs with ease, making them a trusted choice for U.S. mechanics, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts. Soft jaw pliers. Need a strong grip without scratching delicate surfaces? CHANNELLOCK. Soft jaw pliers are designed to protect finished materials while delivering excellent holding power. Perfect for plumbing, automotive work, and home repairs, they're a smart addition to any US DIY or professional contractor's toolbox. ToughBuilt Aviation Snips. Cut through sheet metal with confidence using ToughBuilt Aviation Snips. Their high-leverage design delivers clean, precise cuts while reducing hand fatigue on long jobs. Built for durability and control, they're a top pick for U.S. contractors, HVAC professionals, and serious DIY enthusiasts. Reload Utility Knife. This isn't your average utility knife. The ToughBuilt Reload Utility Knife features lightning-fast blade changes, onboard blade storage, and a rugged design built for demanding jobs. It's quickly becoming a favorite among U.S. contractors, tradespeople, and DIYers who value speed and reliability. Pipe cutter. Need clean, accurate pipe cuts every time? The KNIPEX TubiX pipe cutter delivers smooth, burr-free results with quick one-handed adjustment and premium German engineering. It's a favorite among U.S. plumbers, HVAC technicians, and professionals who demand speed, precision, and long-lasting performance. Ratchet and Socket Set. A quality. Ratchet and Socket Set is one of the most essential tools for any garage or workshop. Whether you're working on vehicles, home repairs, or equipment maintenance, the versatile socket sizes and smooth ratcheting action make every job faster, easier, and more efficient. Long nose pliers. Built for precision and durability. Milwaukee. Long nose pliers make gripping, bending, and cutting wire easier than ever. Their comfortable grip and hardened cutting edges deliver reliable performance on every job, making them a trusted choice for U.S. electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts. Square Pro S0100A. The Swanson Speed. Square Pro S0100-A is a must-have layout tool for framing, roofing, and woodworking projects. Its durable construction, precision markings, and versatile design help deliver fast, accurate measurements, making it a trusted favorite among U.S. carpenters, contractors, and serious DIYers. .212 Hacksaw. Built to handle demanding jobs, the RIDGID 212 Hacksaw delivers fast, clean cuts through metal, plastic, and more. Its sturdy frame, comfortable grip, and quick blade change system make it a trusted choice for U.S. plumbers, contractors, mechanics, and serious DIYers. Hex Wrench Set. Need more torque without sacrificing control? The THH1 Sliding T-Handle. Hex Wrench Set features a sliding handle for extra leverage and fast adjustments. It's a go-to choice for U.S. mechanics, bike technicians, and DIYers tackling demanding repairs with confidence and precision. .9527 Ball Grip Set. Comfort meets precision with the Wera Tools 9527 Ball Grip Set 1. Its ergonomic ball-shaped handles provide outstanding grip and control, making tough fasteners easier to turn. It's a premium choice for U.S. professionals and DIYers who value speed, comfort, and reliable performance. Blade Knife. The Ulu Blade Knife stands out with its unique curved design, delivering exceptional control for slicing, trimming, and detailed cutting tasks. Built for comfort and precision, it's gaining attention from U.S. DIYers, craftsmen, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a versatile everyday cutting tool. Wood Chisel Set. Every woodworking project starts with the right tools, and a quality wood chisel set is essential for clean, precise cuts. From fine detailing to heavy-duty carving, these chisels deliver professional results, making them a must-have for U.S. woodworkers, carpenters, and dedicated DIY enthusiasts. Joker 6007. The Wera Joker 6007 takes adjustable wrench performance to the next level. Its self-setting jaws automatically adapt to different fastener sizes, helping you work faster with fewer adjustments. It's a premium tool trusted by U.S. mechanics, technicians, and professionals who value precision and efficiency. Thanks for watching. Which of these hand tools would you add to your toolbox first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more must-have tools, Amazon finds, and the latest gear every DIYer and contractor needs to see.